Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, today I'm going to crochet a 3-side petal flower. So let's get started. So I have my yarn here and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm going to come over here and make my slip knot. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. Then I'm going to come here in the center. I'm going to make 4 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to chain 2, come over here, slip knot that way, going to chain 2 again, 1, 2, yarn over to make 4 double crochet, I'm going to chain 2, to come over here, slip knot, then going to chain 2 again, 1, 2, yarn over, make our 4 double crochet, chain 2 again, and to come over here and slip knot this way. Okay, to make one more slip knot, tighten our yarn, to take scissors over here, you can see how it looks like. So I made chain of 5 and then I made the slip knot in the very last one, then I made two stitches, sorry, single stitches. Then in this space here I made 4 double crochet, then chain 2, slip knot, and then chain 2 again, make 4 double crochet, and repeat the same process till the end, till we get this result over here. So I'm going to cut this yarn over here. So there's no yarn left here. As you can see, I have a similar one over here, the same one. I have the others which I made, as so you can see, and I have a blue one as well. So you can use this for your decorations as patchwork, or if you are stitching something like a garment, you can also stick this on them. So this is it for today. Till then, see you next time in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.